This is the new setup of my blood red parrot. A new pair I have bought. I have planted some blood Sagittaria. Look, the male is hiding. I have released them just now, and the female is hiding behind that rock. The male is hiding. Use some floating plants and light, DIY light, as I have showed in previous videos how to make it. This is the final look of my new setup, and it's looking very beautiful. This is the male rare parrot, the male one, and this is how I set up my tank. Now let's see it. I have made this tank on my own. It's 3 feet in length. It's a shallow tank, 8 inches height and 6 to 7 inches depth. And I have planned it to keep it over here below these two tanks. You have seen it before. So I would try to make a natural tank for my blood red parrots. To make this natural tank, as a substrate, I would use, as always, I have shown in previous videos, garden soil. I have taken some garden soil and some coarse sand, and this sand I have washed it thoroughly. It's wet. Washed it thoroughly, and now I would add some this garden soil inside my aquarium. And everybody watching, welcome back to my channel, Journey with Fish and More. And let's learn how to make a natural aquarium for blood red parrot. Now I am going to add the garden soil. Half inch of garden soil would be enough, as it is a shallow tank. I am adding half inch of garden soil. Spread it all over uniformly. And now I would top it with half inch of garden soil, and I would top it with sand, as the sand is wet. So I am adding it like this, and I would fully cover the mud with sand, 1 to 1/4 inch of sand. I would cover the garden soil with this sand so that the mud doesn't dissolve in the water. This is how I set up the base of the tank. Now I will decorate it with some hardscape. To decorate it with hardscape, I have taken some black stones, and let's see how I can decorate it. Putting some black stones inside to create some hiding place for my parrots. Let's see. This is the final look after arranging and rearranging for some time. This is the final look, and now I would add water and plant the dwarf Sagittaria that I have brought. And after doing it, setting it in place, I have went to the shop and bought these two beautiful blood red parrot. And this is my daughter, as you know, my sweet daughter. I would release in this tank. This pair costed me 570 rupees a pair, and they are beautiful blood red parrot pair. And I have done a mistake. I have held the camera vertically to shoot it, so please adjust with us. Now I will be releasing the blood red parrot. Thank you. This is Bhaskar from Kolkata, always with you. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.